Okay, Salvador, stand up. For you, in your own idea, what is usability? For me, usability means the appropriate center that the appropriate center of a certain. Okay, very good. Okay, guys. Who's not? What is appropriation? Very good. Okay, Crystal. Susana, what is the word? Objective mathematics. And what is objective quantity? Objective mathematics. The empirical mathematics lies on what substance to see. Okay, thank you. Okay, this side.